In this video, we're going to be having a look at a couple of products from Local Bytes. Make sure you stick around, and if you like what you see, make sure you hit that subscribe button below and keep an eye out for more videos. Hi, I'm Will from Surridge Tech, and today we're going to be talking about Local Bytes and making your local smart home easier. So, let's get going. So I've been sent a few things in the post by Local Bytes, which is a local company based in the UK, and it is a company that basically takes the faff out of flashing smart home devices. Now we all know you can get loads and loads of cheap devices on eBay or AliExpress or wherever you want to get them, and they'll all arrive and they'll all be running something that links into Tuya, and we don't like Tuya because of the cloud and all of that faff. So what we end up doing is we reflash them with something like Tasmota or WLED or ESP Home, and that's all well and good when it's easy, but more often than not it's quite a faff to do that. And if you're not comfortable with header pins and connecting things into the right place, or you just don't want to mess around with mains electricity or devices that are going to handle that, then maybe that's not the best solution for you. So enter Local Bytes. So what Local Bytes does is it gives you a smart home product that just works out of the box with your favourite locally controlled software on it. So what I've got here is a couple of power monitoring Wi-Fi plugs, and these are pre-flashed with Tasmota. And we've also got a WLED controller. So this LED controller is an LED controller. It's very simple. It's got a little button on the front, power in, 3-pin LED strip out. Does what it says on the tin, all done for you. As for the plugs, again, very simple. It is just a basic smart plug. A little button on the side. They look very much like the Tech-In plugs or any other plug that you can get from anywhere, but they are local. So when you plug them in, it'll instantly pop up with Tasmota. So let's do that then. So to set up these Local Bytes couldn't be simpler. You plug them in, you get an access point shown to you, and you click on it, you give it your info, and there we go, it is there and done. And then from there, obviously, you can control through the web interface if you want, and that will give you, obviously, the WLED web interface gives you everything you need. The Tasmota web interface also gives you everything you need, and you can see your power and you can turn it on and off, or you can integrate it into your favorite smart home platform, also known as Home Assistant. And obviously, when it's in Home Assistant, you can do whatever you want with it, make automations, have some fun, and I have to admit, these devices haven't let me down. And obviously, the firmware doesn't let you down because it is local and easy and customizable and does what it's meant to. So fundamentally, a very reliable and very simple way to get local devices pre-flashed with custom firmware that you're going to want to use if you want to stay off the cloud. And the best thing is you don't have to muck around with header pins or flashing or worrying about bricking your device in the process. So there we go. That is a selection of devices from Local Bytes. Make sure you click that subscribe button below and hit the bell icon to find out more about my smart tech and how you can build yourself the ultimate smart home.